The Three Pigs. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs who lived with their mother. One day, the mother pig said to the three little pigs, "You need to go out and make a house for yourself." So the three pigs waved goodbye to their mother and went out into the world. The first pig was lazy. He made a house of straw. A big bad wolf who lived in the forest came, huffed and puffed, and blew the house down. The second pig worked a little harder. He made a house of twigs. The big bad wolf who lived in the forest came, huffed and puffed, and blew the house down. The third pig was a smart pig. He made his house from bricks. The big bad wolf who lived in the forest came and huffed and puffed but could not blow the house down. This made the wolf very angry. He went up the roof and jumped into the chimney. The wolf fell into a pot of boiling water. He ran from the house and never came back.